The trim on this wall, the molding on this wall is what Joel and I are tackling today. And, you know, just wish us luck, okay? Because this wall is probably not exactly straight, we're setting a baseline with a perfectly straight line. How did we do, Joel?
I think, according to the laser, it looks pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we're good.
This is the very first piece that's going up on the wall. This is monumentous.
You're gonna lift up above, like go above.
Okay.
And then push it in.
Okay.
And now pull down. Like bring it down to that red mark.
Like right dead in the center?
Yeah.
Of the V?
Yep.
Yeah. Looks good.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it does look cool. We have our baseboard in. We just measured for this box. And I think what we want to do is get our chair rail in. And what we did was 3/4 inch molding and then a 1 inch chair rail. And the chair rail is the straightaway lines. And then the molding is the boxes. Here's our game plan. We're going to chalk as far up on the wall as we can and, you know, make sure all of that is good. And then it's kind of like plug and play from there. We'll just tack on all the molding and then we'll, you know, get our scaffolding over here and chalk line as high as we can. That's little.
Yeah.
That's where your 1 inch rail line goes?
1 1/8 inch.
Oh, I wondered. So when you wind that up, it redusts it inside?
Yeah, this thing's full of chalk.
Oh gosh, I had no idea.
That's why when you pull it out, it just goes everywhere.
Wow. Thank you for your help, sir. You've been so helpful and observing. It's our quality control down there.
He's a real jerk.
Toby?
HR quality. Toby from the office.
Oh, was Toby HR? Oh, he's HR.
He's HR.
That's way different than QR.
No way. HR and QA.
QC, quality control. That's way different.
Nobody likes those guys.
Oh, on this side?
This side, I'll on 1 inch mark on the bottom where the red and white. The red and white.
Let's see. This one right here.
Very top right one. 6 foot. When you're on.
I'm on.
Come scoot it to that corner, like
Oh.
to where that is, so I can just kind of follow a parallel line. Okay, you're on.
On.
Okay, give me just a second. You be careful. Can you see all your markers?
Oh, this is going to be difficult.
You need to pull the ladder this way more?
No, right above, it just goes up against the wall.
This will be a lot harder because you can't lock it on the wall and have me pull the tension. You're going to have to hold the tension.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, the bottom one.
Start on the bottom one.
Okay.
You there?
Yep.
Okay. I try to not touch the wall until you're just set so that we don't get double lines.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you feel like you have enough chalk?
No, I'll go ahead and start it over.
It's like, it's beautiful already. It's beautiful already.
Okay, next one.
Okay.
Good?
Yep. Ooh. Okay.
Good?
Yep. Yep. That is not bad. I mean, I know it's like a lot, but that's the simple stuff.
Yeah, now that we've got a grid, the straight lines will be easy. I can even have you do the chair rail.
Excuse me? We are getting the pieces cut, and Joel is telling me exactly where to put them. Our quality control guy hopped over. He's moved a little. Joel's gluing these, and then he said he's using a teensy tiny pin nailer, and basically the pin nails are just there to hold it until the glue dries. How is it even possible that that glue just holds everything?
Because it's quick and thick.
Okay, Joel said, he's like, the only glue you've ever worked with is Elmer's glue. He's like, this is not like regular glue. Because I'm like, how does this even hold?
It's not like a hot glue gun, just getting at it. Good.
Okay, so what's it gonna do to your fingers that you're getting all over it?
Peels right off.
Does it?
Yeah.
So then, like, why does it work so good for glue? That just blows my mind.
Because it's not meant to bond to your fingers.
First one.
Clark, I can see it in my mind and it's beautiful.
Joel, I can see it in my mind and it's beautiful.
You, Clark.
You did it.
I did it.
We cut all of these and we were wrong dimension. So we had to go recut those. That's okay. I think that is very normal. What's that called? Is that called a miter cut?
It is a miter, yep.
The first time Joel did a miter cut was on this house. So he's been learning fast. And you are not welcome. I'm going to kill you as soon as I hit the record button. As soon as I hit the stop record button.
How's that look? Looks good.
It looks phenomenal, Joel.
Cool. Okay, so we can glue it there.
First box is in. Joel, our first box is in. I could literally just have this one box and I'd be happy.
I'm done.
And I would look at it every day and be like, look at that cute little box over there in the corner. She's lonely, but she's cute. I know the feeling. Just kidding, I don't. I have you.
You're not yelling me.
Yeah, I'm not. I was just kidding.
Pretty darn cute, though.
A squeeze.
Back on the squeeze.
Scary. See, now the first one's not lonely. So we could just have the two. And they won't be lonely.
Oh, yeah, she's cute.
Oh my gosh, it's cute. Word what?
They'll, like, blow out.
Blow out?
Sometimes when you shoot the little pieces, they break.
Oh.
And so you just gotta do a little repair on them.
Joel, we have a chair rail and boxes.
Oh, it's done. What we got in looks great.
It's
Walk away.
so cute. Well, I'll get a fork, you get a spoon. Lunchtime is over. I don't think you guys are ready for the cuteness of this. All right. What is this even called? We had to Google, what's it called? How to terminate a, what is it called, honey? Chair rail.
Well, you're just coping your chair rail pretty much. It's like.
And let me tell you what happened. By the time I found, because we were like, oh, how are we going to do this? So I was like, I'm going to show Joel how to do it. So I Googled it. I found a video just exactly how to do it. And by the time I was like, hey, Joel, look at this video. He already, he had already had it done. He already had it cut.
No, sweetie, I couldn't have done it without your Googles.
Yeah, right. But doesn't that look so good? That looks so clean.
Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah, you did a really good job on that.
Nice buns. Really nice buns.
What?
Paddington too.
I just love that the piece of paper that I've been staring at, or like the picture I've been staring at.
Come to life.
Like it looks just like it.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in.
Look at that. The whole bottom part. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my, that is so cute. We could leave it just like that and I'd be happy. Joel, look at that. We're done for the day. Kidding, girl. Oh my word. Oh, my hands are shaking. Is that a nail gun in your pocket or are you excited to see me? How tall are these ones?
6'3".
Wow. Our electrician was fantastic with his measurements.
He's hired.
He's hired. Made sure that my outlets fit in there with room for the trim. He made sure to center this in the box. He was good.
He's a good guy. Yeah.
Too bad he didn't get paid.
You didn't pay him anything?
Spoiler alert, Joel was the electrician.
Yeah.
So here's the part on the plans where this wall was supposed to just be flush all the way up. But then when you actually build it and it's gone through engineering and all that, sometimes things change, like this guy right here. So we've got this little notch out that Joel is figuring. And I was like, so you'll what, just terminate it right into the end? And he's like, no. And then he drew that little thing right there and you'll see what he does. And I'm like, you've never done this in your life. How do you know to do that? He's like, I don't know.
Look at that sweet little joint. Cute as that. It's like a little heart.
It is sweet. I think you're sweet. We ran out of the quick and thick, so I had my finger shoved in there, getting, the last piece. We're not about to waste that. That is toast. We have now moved on to liquid nails. Joel said it's stronger too. It's just a little more difficult to work with. Boom.
Ready for some chair rail?
Ready for some chair rail. Tools we couldn't live without for this project. I would say 1 is a long level. 2 is the little rope thing. And then this is a cordless nailer.
Pin nailer.
And if we were fighting hoses, and I only say this because I've done that with you, it's a joke. I'll put all of those in the description in case anyone is planning on doing a 22?
24.
24-foot molding wall.
You could still do a 10-foot molding wall.
Yeah, you could do a 10-foot
or
one.
6 or 8 or even 3 like that one.
Yeah, actually, I love when short rooms or like, you don't even have to do the full room. You just do the bottom portion with a chair rail. Like I said, I was happy with the 1 box to begin with. Just make it 2 so it's not lonely.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Here's how far we got on this wall, and we need to be able to move the scaffolding over in front, but the hardwood is in the way. Hardwood guys come tomorrow, and I think they'll be able to move or like install all of this pallet. And so I think we're gonna wait until they can move that for us to do the final boxes up there, which will not take long. So we're almost done. And instead of calling it early a day, actually on time, I think it's after 5 already, we're going to get the molding up on the dining room wall. Just while we've still got light, we've still got steam. So I think we're gonna work on this wall. Sun is just going down, and I don't mean to brag. We were able to get this and this all the way done. So we are doing good. It is like 9:30-ish. Maybe a little before that, I'm not really sure. But everyone else is getting ready for fireworks. Joel and I are ready for our drive home. I'm just a little terrified. You need your level? Is that what you want? Same outfit, new day. And we are working on the very top portion of this. What you can't see are the tears in my eyes and my tunnel vision setting in, and I'm not joking at all. This is very, very frightening.
You're doing great to me.
Thank you. We are running in chalk line, and my job, oh, what are we stuck on?
Yeah, there we go.
There you go. watching Joel walk up the stairs without a railing makes me sick to my stomach, let alone doing this. Okay, we're running our very top line.
Hold it real tight.
Okay, I've got it tightened into where it should be.
Okay, ready?
Yep. The light on your gun is coming in clutch.
Yeah.
I just turned the light onto my phone. That's why it's so bright, but we're losing daylight. I have not been filming very much because I am just absolutely sicker than a dog. Super nauseous, tunnel vision. We've got just the last bit of chair rail, so we'll show you the final tomorrow when we've got a little more light.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Here is the grand reveal. This is our 24-foot tall grid wall. And maybe it's not called a grid wall, wall molding. It's also called wall molding. Anyway, I don't care what she's called. She's done. She's here. Very happy that it's over. I am so happy to take the scaffolding down and to take it back. So let me take a step back so you can see just a little bit better what the entry is going to be. This is the last time I have to climb this thing. Heaven blessed. All right, day 3, same outfit. I am proud to say I have showered in between every day. And I think the real MVP of this video is the fanny pack. It's the fanny pack. Do you want to know why? Because I had to bring my phone everywhere to film, and it just fits right in here. I don't have any pockets. She's the real MVP. Without her, there would be no vlog. My one thing that I didn't realize is how scary it was going to be up there. I don't want to say I'm afraid of heights, but
You're afraid of
think
heights.
I'm afraid.
You're afraid of heights.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more walls that I would like to have done. However, we are running out of time. We do not have time. The painters come next week. We don't have time.
Low on the priority list.
But you want to know what I think is going to be good? This one had to be done. That was just like no, what's the word?
Well, this one we had to have scaffolding for, and I didn't want to bring scaffolding in if the tile's down. The other ones we can do with ladders.
We can, and it will be simple to tack these up anywhere I needed to, and then just, touch up paint. I think we can do that. So you will see that in the future. It's just a matter of when. Bless you, Boston. That was a really big job. That took us 2 full days, but over the span of 3. Only one person got mad through the whole thing. Can you guess who it was? It was me. Joel mismeasured, and we were up at the top. We were almost done, and I was like, "Are you kidding me?" I'm like, "Joel."
The person who's done all the measuring, cutting.
Hey, I helped.
Yeah.
You saw. I am not going to defend myself. I helped. Okay, if you're new to our channel, we have an entire playlist of our new home build that I will put in the description for you. If you want to get caught up on this house build, please do so. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.